Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'm going to show you how to do colour grading in CapCut. So first, bring your media clip onto the timeline, and then to make colour grading adjustments, come up to adjustments here at the very top, and you can select some presets, but you do need to be logged in. Or if you have some LUTs available, you can add them directly into CapCut here. However, if you want to make edits directly here in CapCut, come to the adjustments, select customize adjustments here and drag it onto the timeline. Drag it to the length of the clip, and then on the right hand side here, if you installed some LUTs, they'll be here in this drop down. Now, if you come right down, here is where you can make colour grading adjustments. So you can start adjusting all the different elements within the video. You can really adjust everything within the video. This is the basic editor. If you want to come to the HSL editor, this just edits certain colours within the video. So for instance, yellows, then you have the curve here, you can change. At any stage you can just press this undo button here. The curves can also be adjusted for the different colours within the video. And the last one is the colour wheel. As you can see, you can make any adjustment to the video. So that's how to do colour grading in CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.